Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. After visiting Mullayangiri Peak on our second day of Chikkamagaluru trip, we are now heading towards Budangiri Peak. On our way to Budangiri Peak, we came across Honnamanahalla. Situated right next to the road, Honnamanahalla has a man-made waterfall and a temple beside it. You can spend 10 to 15 minutes at this place and continue your journey towards Budangiri Peak. After crossing Honnamanahalla on the way to Budangiri Peak, you will come across a pickup point for visiting JHARI Waterfalls, also known as Buttermilk Waterfalls. The only way to reach the waterfalls is through the jeeps parked over here. It's kind of a big bummer that you can't take your own vehicles to the waterfalls and you have to solely depend on these jeeps, which are way expensive, to reach the waterfalls. We skipped visiting this waterfall. By the time we reached Budangiri Peak, the weather was changing rapidly. This was our first visit to Budangiri Peak. Budangiri Peak, also known as Datta Peeta, is a famous tourist place in Chikmagalur. Budangiri Peak is situated at a distance of around 34 kilometers from Chikmagalur. Budangiri Peak or Datta Peeta is a sacred place for both Hindus and Muslims. Like Mullayangiri Peak, Budangiri Peak is a must-visit place when you visit Chikkamagaluru. We took the road up the hill which would take us towards Manikyadhara waterfalls. Soon, the roads became extremely bad and also the weather changed rapidly. It started to drizzle a bit and soon the clouds covered the entire mountain ahead of us and nothing was visible. The rain soon became heavy and it was impossible for us to go ahead as nothing was visible and the road also was very bad. So we waited for the clouds to clear and the rain to stop. That heavily fortified enclosure holds the holy place of both Hindus and Muslims. As of now, you can see the jeeps over there, which you can take to drive up the hill. So as of now, there's nowhere to go ahead. After waiting for almost 45 minutes, the clouds finally cleared a bit and we decided to go ahead towards Manikyadara waterfalls. We consulted some of the fellow travelers who had just returned from Manikyadara waterfalls, and we were informed that the road condition is not that bad and we can drive there easily with our own car, and we need not depend on the jeeps that ferry the people over there towards Manikyadara waterfalls. After driving for around 15 minutes from Baba Budangiri, we finally reached Manikyadara waterfalls.